Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by trimming the backing and batting flush so the edge is predictable. This reduces shifting. Once done, clip corners and mark your start and stop points with a washable pen so you maintain alignment. Attach the edge quilting guide to the presser foot or magnet and position it for a 1/4 seam allowance. This gives you a consistent visual reference. Make sure to keep fabric layers smooth under the foot as you prepare to stitch the first seam. You start sewing with steady, deliberate motion, using about 12 to 14 stitches per inch so seams lie flat and hold. As you approach corners, stop with the needle down, lift the presser foot, pivot the quilt, and resume. This preserves alignment with the guide. For curves, make small hand adjustments and slightly reposition the edge guide to follow the contour. Doing this prevents bunching. Keep checking the guide against the raw edge. If it drifts, slow down and recenter before continuing. You complete the edge by reinforcing the ends with 3 to 4 backstitches or a small knot and trimming threads close to the seam for a clean look. If you notice puckering, stop and adjust. Loosen the top tension a quarter turn or increase stitch length slightly to let layers settle. Should the guide slip and alignment be off, repress the affected seam flat, repin to the marked line, and stitch a short corrective pass to blend the repair into the existing quilting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.